Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best golf apps for Samsung Watch. Let's start with Hole 19. This app gives you accurate GPS distances, score tracking, and detailed stats. You can check your performance right from your Samsung Watch while playing. Next up is Golf Shot. It lets you view yardages, track shots, and use digital scorecards. Thanks to Wear OS support, it works smoothly on Samsung watches. Third on the list is 18 Birdies. This app combines GPS distances with smart game analysis. You can log scores and get helpful insights for every hole directly on your watch. Coming in at number 4 is the Grint. It offers GPS distances, handicap tracking, and live scoring. With Samsung Watch support, you can see all your key stats without using your phone. Finally, there's Golf Pad GPS. It features precise GPS maps, shot tracking, and club recommendations. The watch integration helps you stay focused on your game. And that's it. Those are the 5 best golf apps for Samsung Watch. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.